Hi! So I'm just winding down and I opened my mail and guess what I got in it? Swallowtail seeds. And you gotta see, this is Thor. And he has a twin and his twin's name is Loki. I better show you Loki in just a minute. But we're gonna open up this together and I'm so excited because there's lots of seeds in here that work for my zone and colder, and there's a lot of perennials. So let's open it up together. So this one's Loki. She's trying to escape. So they're twins. They're only 5 months old. Aren't they cute? Hi, baby. Hi. All right, let's open this up. I was so excited when I saw these online. So let's see what I have. Pelleted. A lot of them say pelleted on them. No, that says pickety. Okay. Swallowtail seeds. Have you ordered from these guys before? Alright, let's look through these. So they don't have pictures, but I'm still so excited. Tango Akastashi. Firefly Coral Bells. Another Coral Bells. Purple Palace, which is also Coral Bells. Maverick Apple Blossom Geraniums. This one's exciting. Almost Black Foliage. Burning Heart Teleopsis. This is one of the main reasons I ordered from them, was to get some ladies' mantle. And then this one is the Echo Pink Pickety Lisianthus. Wasn't super expensive. It was like $3, maybe 4. And how many seeds does it say in here? I don't remember how many, but I'm going to try to grow those. They are so beautiful. Emperor Waves Sedum. Does it say what color the foliage is? Burgundy Stems. And then this is a Rock Gardens Blend Sedum. I am so excited. I am so excited. So I'll bring you along. I'm going to start some of these seeds in the winter sowing jugs. And then I do want to start some of them inside, just because. So the apple blossom geraniums, those will be inside. The Lisianthus will be inside. And then I might choose like 1 or 2 seeds each to do inside, just because I want to see how they grow. Even though winter sowing works so well and it can work outside. So see you later. Just have fun with it.